Today, Ying is going to show you how to look younger with vibrant skin, and also how these products are very affordable, that even you at home, you can get them at wholesale prices.
I'm 54 years old and I started using this system about a year ago, and I can see with people that I know have come up to me and say, hey, you know, you look so much younger. So we're really excited to come share with you the process and also share with you the product. So this Absolute Care has been in research for 15 years, and it came out over a year ago. So that's when I first started using it, and I've used Chanel, Dior, I've used some of the top, Shiseido, and I've used some of the other top Japanese brand. And I did not see myself changing drastically like this set. So I was really, really impressed, and I've shared it with so many people that just really love it. So the 4 cutting-edge technology that makes our skincare really great is our purification technology, where we pick fresh herbs out from the field and it goes directly into the processing of our skincare. The second patent that we have is our fresh herb extract technology, is where the herbs are used as soon as they come from the field. They get purified, they get their toxic out, and they go right into the plant. Other cosmetic companies use dry herbs, so the liquid from the dry herbs is very brown, and they don't use 100% of that because it's going to make your skincare look dark, which you don't want on your face. So our technology is absolutely beautiful. The third patent that we have is our fermentation process, which means we use fermented sweet brown rice water to make our product. It's fermented, it gets filtered so that the water is clean with the technology that we have, and then it goes into our skincare. In the old days in Korea, people use fermented rice water on their face to beautify themselves and also to nourish their skin. So it's a really great ancient process that's we're able to recreate. The fourth one is our multiple capillation deliveries technology, meaning on your skin, your pores are a certain size. It's about maybe 150 to 200 nanomillimeter. Our particles from our skincare is around 33 to 50 nanomillimeters, so it gets absorbed into the different skin layer, and it goes into your skin to work on it. If your particles are very big, it's not able to absorb into your pores, and it just kind of sit on top of your skin. That's why you don't see a lot of drastic reduction in skin and nourishment of the skin.
You're going to get to see how Ying looks without makeup today. And she's already
I'm gonna be the model, bare my soul,
yeah,
and then put my face back on.
And so you're going to get to see how she takes it off and what involves in putting it back on, so that way you know how to use the product. In fact, you can use this as a reference later on when you purchase a product to come back and see how it's been used. So this will be a great help to you.
All right, we are ready to show you how I do my skin cleansing routine, and also how I'm going to put on the Absolute skincare system. This is our evening 4 set, and it's really one of the greatest face wash that I have come across and I've used. This set is for both men and women. The very first one that we want to use is our deep cleansing. And this deep cleansing, what it does is it firms the skin. It has ginseng extracts and ginkgo extracts. Just put a good amount on the palm of your hand. Put that, rub it together, and go all over your face with it. Gently massaging as you go, because massaging is great for the skin. It rejuvenates and it gets your blood flowing. When you're done, you take a napkin or a towel like this and just wipe off. After you deep cleanse your skin and you wipe off the excess, you know, you've gotten rid of all the impurity, making your skin look vibrant. Our next step is going to be our foam cleanser, and I love this one. And for men that shaves, you can use this for your shaving cream. All you have to do is take a small portion into your palm of your hand, get some water, and do a really good. It works better when you're under your faucet, but we're out here in the open, and I'm trying to get some bubble on here. So, okay, let's get some really nice bubble, and you want a lot of bubble because the bubble has amino acid, which is going to help with your skin irritation, and you want the bubble because the bubble is going to go into your skin, into your pores, and really clean everything. You basically just rub it all over your face. Same step, gently massaging. Now we just and our next step is our peeling gel. What this does is it removes the dead skin from the outer dead skin from your face. And this peeling gel, I use it about 2 times to 3 times a week. And if you have dry skin, you might want to stick with maybe once a week because it might make your skin a little bit drier than it is. Squirt a little bit into your hand, and you just kind of, you know, put a nice layer and wait about 2 to 5 minutes because you will start feeling the tingling sensation. That means that this gel is eating away at your dead skin. And after 5 minutes, I will show you how you kind of take all of this off. It's been 3 minutes, so I am getting ready to take this off. I also wanted to say, you know, with being 54 years old, you cannot expect to not have imperfect skin. So I have some brown spot, and it's because I didn't wear sunblock like I was supposed to when I'm younger. So now I'm trying to get in the process of fixing my skin. So don't feel bad. To take this off, all you're doing is doing a circular motion around your skin, and you can see the little white area that's coming on the skin. This is your dead skin that you're wiping away. So, you know, I'm going to wash these things off. It's really important to have a very clean, to wash it off really clean. My face feels so nice. I can feel all the new skin layer on top here. The next step is our peel off mask, and this is really great. I use this one about 3 to 4 times a week myself. You know, you can see in the Korean movie where the lady goes to sleep with this white mask. That's what this is. While you're sleeping, it's tightening your skin, and there's a lot of different benefit that's working with the mask. We are not going to be showing this because it's a little bit long, but just to let you know, I can put it directly onto my face without using anything, but I would suggest that if you're new, you want to spray it with some, you know, put some sort of moisturizer on there. We have this 3-second beauty water that just came out in ATOMY that's really great. It nourishes, it tones your skin, and it has it keeps your moisture in. And I love this one. All you do is squirt really fast around your face, and then you can put your mask on. So it's no big deal. Just big couple of squirt, and your face just feels really soft. The first one we are going to use is going to be our toner here. And the toner, you can put it on a cotton pad and wipe it all over your face, or you can just squirt it in your hand like this, rub it, and just kind of go all over, and it's going to makes your skin moist. Our next one we're gonna put on is our ampule, and this is the new one that just came out, and it's the one that's 15 years of research that goes into here. And what this does is it's high efficacy all around ampulant that help lessen the sign of skin aging. So technically what that means is if you use this when you're young, you're not gonna age that much more than what you're already looking. So don't wait until you're old like me. But if you're 54, it's not too late. You can still use it. It's gonna keep your skin from aging at this point on, and it makes you look younger. So it's kind of going backward for me, which is really great. So take about 2 pumps onto the palm of your hand like this. Rub it and just go all over. Our next one we are going to use is the serum. And like we mentioned before, it looks like it's a lot of steps that you have to go through, but there's an important function with each of these steps. Couple of pumps, same thing, just let it absorb into the skin. And what this serum does is it's premium concentration serum that cares for the elasticity of the skin. So basically it makes your skin like stretchy, so it can, you know, look really nice and soft and beautiful. So same thing. My next favorite one is the one that makes a lot of difference, and I really love it, is our eye cream complex. It's not only used for around the eyes, you can put it on any place that you have wrinkle. So absolutely love it. Just put a little bit around. Just go around your wrinkled area, you know, put a generous amount because it's going to be absorbed by your skin. Your generous amount in circular motion, so you can kind of like massaging your eyes and massaging the skin around the eyes. It's really important to massage. What I also do is I take a little bit of this and I put it around my neck too, because this is really important. And I know some ladies that put a really generous amount on her neck before she goes to sleep, so that the next day it's all tight and beautiful. And anything in the forehead, around the eyes, you do that twice a day, and in a couple of weeks you will see a drastic change in your look. And you don't want to skip this lotion because this is very, very, very important. It awakens the natural strength of the skin with soft adherence. So it's what is going to help activate what you've already put in onto your skin. So I put about 3 pumps. Same thing. Naturally let the skin absorb all this beautiful lotion. Wait about 30 seconds also. The last one is the nutrition cream. It firms up the drooping skin lines from the whole face. So this is your last step in the skin system that takes everything that you've already put on and it just holds it together, tighten it. So this one I use a little bit more generous on here. What you want to do before you put on your makeup is you have to wait at least 10 minutes for your skin to absorb everything in. And then it's going to, you know, right now it might look like it's really sticky and it feels like, oh, icky, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, you know, what did I put on my face? It's just because you're putting all these layers in and the skin is slowly absorbing it. After 10 minutes, just kind of rub whatever hasn't been absorbed around your face and just, you know, rub it in, and then the skin will take in the nutrition and take in everything that you've put on. And if you don't want to put makeup on, just put a light face powder on. That's all you need to do to get that vibrant looking skin. So that's all it is to this beautiful package, and I love it because it makes me feel great. My mom always taught me that, you know, you want to look good and you want to feel good, and she's always used really good skincare to get that look, and I've learned that from her. So I take care of myself every single day. Even when I'm not going anywhere, it's still important because you have to look at yourself. You know, you don't worry about other people looking at you, but if you feel good and you look good, you're gonna be super, super happy.
So we've gone full circle from makeup.
We're done.
We go from makeup to no makeup, back to full makeup. So wow, how does it feel?
It feels great. It's, you know, really, you could feel there's a lot of moisture in the skin. It's not dry, it's beautiful, and I just feel like I'm ready to go out and party.
Wow, so I'm sure by now you guys are all dying as to how you can get the product. And so Ying, tell us. Please.
Very simple. It's free membership like we said before. All you have to do is contact me. We are going to leave our email and phone number down below. And if you call and you get the answering machine, just kind of be patient because we have a lot of people that we're signing up for membership, and it takes you only a few seconds, but I personally like to get to know each and every one of the members that join and answer any questions that you guys might have. So that's why the process is a little bit more tedious.
So instead of us buying a product and reselling it to you at a profit, this is one way for us to help you and share information with you so that we can sign you up, and then you can get the free membership privilege as we do to get the products at wholesale. So we are really excited in helping other women look good, feel good. On the screen here, you'll see the number, and it's 651-321-8248. And the email in which you can email Ying is at atomymong@gmail.com.
You cannot sign online by yourself, and you cannot call the ATOMY number to sign up. It has to be a member that gives you a sponsorship into our free membership directory, and it's really, really simple. Not a big deal. Just give me a call and I can whip out a membership ID for you. Like we mentioned before, there's so many products that's in there. You will fall in love with. Try one product and you will fall in love with everything that we have.
And if you want to know the prices, it's just too many products to go over. Once you log on the website, you can see all the wholesale prices on there. So it's been fun watching Ying show you how to look vibrant and get younger skin. So I look forward to seeing you guys again, and follow us.
Yes, we bring you ATOMY from the beautiful state of Minnesota, and if you guys are in Minnesota, please call me up. I would love to chat with you, and we would love to invite you to our house to kind of look and see what products we have, and so you can have first-hand experience. And if you live in the Minnesota area, contact us, and we would love to do the same thing and get to know you a lot more.
Absolutely. And my name is Q, so see you next time.
See you. Bye.